Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you how to crop and resize videos in Filmora. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. So, first open Filmora, select the ratio and click on New Project. And now import your video by clicking on Import and select it. Now drag the video to the timeline by holding the left button of your mouse. Here you can see that it's a long video, so I am trimming it first. And I'll show you the full tutorial with this single part. To crop the video, click on the clip in the timeline to select it. Then right click on the mouse and here you will see some options. Now click on Crop and Zoom. Here, a new window will open with cropping options. So I am moving the playhead from here. And now adjust the cropping box by dragging the edges to select the area you want to keep. Once you are satisfied with the selection, click OK to apply the crop. To resize the video, click on the clip in the preview window. I mean here. And here, try to find the corners. Now, drag the corners or sides of the video frame to resize it to your desired dimensions. You can move it by dragging the middle point of the clip. On the other hand, if you want to maintain the ratio, you have to press the Shift button on your keyboard and drag the corner. It will maintain the dimension of the video. Here you can see that I am pressing on the Shift button on my keyboard and dragging it to resize the video. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to crop and resize videos in Filmora. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX and hit that like button for more real-time problem-solving videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.